You might be a grown man by the time you see me again, if you've ever seen me again on the outside.
But Harper's not completely without family behind the walls of Monash. He shares a cell with his younger half-brother, David Carr.
We got in trouble together.
You got your bone.
Several times together. If he decided he wanted to do something, he was like,
You got your bone. You haven't had one of those in a while. She hasn't had one of those in a while.
Yeah.
She was beside herself.
I know. And you notice she dumped the donut for the bone-looking one?
Uh-huh.
Carr has been in and out of prison on Miami for the past 10 years. This time, he's in Virginia.
Oh, come over here. No, on this one. No, I'll come back over here. I like this one.
They said if I went to trial and was convicted by a jury, they was going to give me 85.
What are you doing? Sniffing it? Go get your bone. Get your bone. Good girl.
On top of Bobo.
So I can avoid the trial.
Yeah, it's got to be on top of her squeaky.
Even with the plea agreement, Carr was sentenced to 35 years.
Her tail.
We're happy.
She's a pretty girl.
He sold drugs not just to support his addiction, but to support his
My little Reyah Sunshine.
Arrested, and I started paying for his legal fees. I was paying for his attorney for drug money. I feel like it's my fault. I feel like he messed up his life trying to save money. You never bury your head, but your head, families first, you know? But it is.
She can't decide where to lay down.
I know. Or how to go about laying down.
Right or wrong, good or bad, he's going to be there.
What's your choice?
Loyal, loving.
Oh, thank you.
Can't take your thing.
I can't help it.